What is happening, troops? Back at the workshop to do some E46 stuff for Scottish Drift Championship round 3. Basically, I used this last round, broke the power steering in my top 8 battle. Video's up if you want to go and check it out, go check it out. Round 2 SDC, done really well. Came 3rd, qualified 1st, but I done top 8 with no power steering. So I did already have a look at this about a week ago. I've just been dead lazy. I couldn't be bothered coming down to fix it. Basically, the power steering pump, that's a new one. I say a new one, it's off a spare engine. But the power steering pump shaft had broken. So it's covered in power steering fluid. There we go. So yeah, that's not supposed to do that. I don't know what's, or it's this piece that snapped on the end, the wee drive for the impeller. So yeah, I put a new power steering pump in and it's been fine. So the banjo bolt, this one, has got like a pressure relief valve sort of thing in it. And I was told it was that originally. The pressure relief valve sets off because of the increased pressure from dooring somebody. Closes the hole and then the pump can't actually fill the rack, it just circulates back to the reservoir again. I removed that first and that didn't make any difference, and then I figured out that it was the power steering pump, which is another common issue with these. Hopefully with that valve removed it doesn't break the impeller on the pump, because not dooring people's not fun. In here, so I've joined my 2 lines together, so it's dual front to rear lines. I've just put a T-piece in and it runs front to rear. That's apparently one of them, or both of them, have apparently got ball valves in them, something to do with the ABS. But what happens is, which happened at round 1, if you go watch round 1, the handbrake, when you pull it and then you push the foot brake at the same time, it locks on the rear brakes and you have to press the foot brake to release it. Now it did catch me out quite a few times at round 1. At round 2 I was kind of aware of it, but I don't really want to be aware of an issue and have to drive around it. I'd rather not have the issue, then I can just focus on, I don't know, driving into people. But I've not had a confirmation that that's actually true, and I don't really want to take it out to find out that it's not, but equally I don't really want to just do nothing. It does kind of make sense, but I don't know if it's true. I did have a quick squint on Google. But of course, when you're on Google looking at BMW stuff, you just get all the idiots of the day. Going on forums to look for answers has got to be the most painstakingly horrible process, because all you do is you end up reading all the tards that never worked on a car, owned a car, even been in a car, telling you what you should, shouldn't do, why this is good, bad, great. Oh no. I'd rather take an estimated guess and hope that that fixes it. I have sent a message to a friend to ask if that's the case, because that was apparently the person who, we stone in there, that was apparently the person who said that it was true and had an issue with this as well. I'll wait to get a message back. I'm going to drop this down, swap the battery for a good one, and probably just take it a quick run up the lane and make sure that it works, which it definitely does, but you know, better to double check now than wait till 6 o'clock tonight and not. It's been a lot of talking. I feel like I've updated you on everything though, so let's drop this down and swap the battery out. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Get that fit, man. This side's way worse though, but you know, it's not terrible. I've seen worse. Hopefully you enjoy the next one, which will be SDC practice day, I think. Yeah. What is going down, troops? We are here at SDC round 3 practice day. It's on till 3 o'clock. We've got about 4 hours. I was a bit late this morning, but I think he just crashed into my car. What a guy. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, but obviously Connor's raring to go. So what we'll do is we'll do a lead first, and then we'll do a chase, and we'll get him back for the little rubbish he gave me, which wasn't very nice. But yeah, enjoy the footage. was no bad.
What? Oh no! The gate! The fucking gate.
Some good runs there, but my tyres are a bit, don't know, I might get another run or two out of them. They're a bit dusted, like cars seems to be getting stuck on lock on the right hand side as well, but yeah, don't know, I might save my tyres and just go back out in these even though they're a bit wrecked. Yeah, I'm just going to go back out in these, save the tyres. Keep getting myself a bit hung up on the start, but I just need to give a wee bit more of a gap, but then you give a gap, you can't catch them up. It's the joys of drifting.
I got his door as well.
Now, I thought that you maybe transitioned a bit slow, but then I thought maybe it was me.
But
But
the first run was absolutely mince.
the first run wasn't great.
I went to go second to third and bang first. On the run up, on the second
Aye, I
one.
wondered that.
Aye.
The door rub's good though.
Class.
Yeah, that was a bit of a fail on my part, but lucky his car's quite soft at the back end, so you know, no damage, no big bumper bar to wreck radiators. Definitely got the the hang of this track anyway. Well, the track that I come to all the time. It's the reverse of what I done round one, but anyway, definitely getting the hang of it. 27 psi is probably ever so slightly too high. I'll probably take one or two out. I'm going to do another lead and then I'm going to head off and take a couple of psi out. We'll grab Jesse back again. Definitely getting the hang of the chase game. I just need to be a bit more confident on the flick in, but yeah, we'll just keep doing what we're doing. I'm having loads of fun today though. Chasing's way better than what it was round two. So yeah, let's just keep it going. Very much.